Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be trying out these $8 Kiss press-on nails. As you can see here, I just want to know I'm super close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could please subscribe if you have not already. Share this video with a friend, or my channel in general with a friend. Give this video a thumbs up and comment at the end if you like these nails, if you want to try them, if you have tried them, your thoughts. I know there's a lot going on in the world right now. For me, watching YouTube videos and doing things where I can get cute, like doing my makeup and getting my nails done, is something that's therapeutic for me in general, which is what I probably would have been going to do to cope, but you know, that's not really safe right now. I don't know how I'll ever feel about going to a nail salon in the near future, but doing my nails at home is super safe and affordable. So I'm doing that. I'm watching this video, see how I did it. It took me less than 5 minutes to apply on both hands. And yeah, watch this video, see how I liked it, see how they last throughout the rest of the day. So these are the nails. They're the long nails. They come with 28 inside, and they're sculpted to look like coffin nails, obviously. They have adhesive tabs and glue so that you could either do the stick on, press on type, or glue them actually to your nails. They're supposed to last 7 days. I'm gonna check in at the end of the video to see how it held up for the rest of the day. And yeah, the directions are on the back for either the adhesive or for the glue. I know my nails are crazy, I'm really sorry, but yeah, so they're gel, the Jelly Fantasy, and they're see-through clear because that's like a little trend going on. And yeah, so I'm gonna prep my nails and then my hands are clean, my nails have been filed, and my cuticles have been pushed back and all that. I set up the nails. I went through every single one to find the perfect size for me. My nails are really small, so I didn't use the bigger ones, and I'm just showing you guys how the size matched up with each nail. But yeah, so I had already went through and did that, and then I picked them out according to which nail I wanted on which finger. I applied the glue to the nail and to my finger, and then it says to press the nail onto the finger for 5 seconds, and I did it for a little bit longer than 5 seconds just for some extra support, but it does say 5 seconds. Since they come in a set like that and there are other sets of the nails, you can mix and match the design of the nails however you want and whatever you think looks best. Yeah, so I did that over and over for each nail. As I got closer to the end, it got a little bit harder, but doing it for my left hand was super easy since I'm right-handed. But once I got to doing it for my right hand, when you guys see that part, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, it was a struggle. So I ended up just finishing the rest of my right hand off camera, but it was just as quick, honestly. It just was difficult to film since, you know, dominant hand, angle, all that stuff. I struggled putting these nails on my right hand. This is my dominant hand. I should have done this first. So when you wanted, if you try these, do your dominant hand first and then your left hand, because now I have glue on both hands. I've also seen that but other than that, it was literally super easy, and they're so freaking cute. And it was just $8. This set would have probably cost like 50 plus to get this done with like acrylics or dip or whatever you use. I do dip, which is 35, but anyway, yeah, super affordable. I'm gonna check back in tomorrow morning to see how they last overnight, because I'm gonna be doing a couple other things for the rest of the day. But yeah, stay tuned. So these are the nails after about 12 hours. This one popped off last night because I hit it against something, and this one came off about maybe 20 minutes ago because I hit it on something. I hit it on my laptop when I was opening it, but I've washed my hands plenty of times. I've showered, done dishes and all that stuff, and the nails pretty much are fine. It's so weird having long nails again, but it's so cute. I'm gonna put the nails back on and I'm gonna show you guys something funny. Okay, so my nails are not symmetrical because this nail and this nail, I guess I switched them up, but yeah, it's opposite, so they don't match, and it took me literally hours to realize that, and it's the funniest thing ever. I don't know how I made that mistake, but it's honestly so funny to me. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I look a little rough right now because, you know, it's the next day. I'm not doing anything. I'm just chilling. But these are the nails again. I love them so much. It was so fun doing them. It was easy. Only $8. It was so simple to pop the ones that came off back on, and the glue is in the pack. You could also buy replacement glue for less than like $2-3 at the store. So, you know, I'll link the nails below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm super close to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and share. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.